Okay guys, we got a 2024 GMC Denali, Sierra Denali 1500. I'm going to show you how to replace the cabin air filter. I'll link one in the description and in the comments. First, you're going to open that. I'm going to go over here, pop that off, and then you're going to go like this on this side, push that in, push this in as well. And then you should just be able to lift this off. From there, that right there is the cabin air filter door. We're gonna push this piece in and then pop it out like that. It's the cabin air filter right there. Airflow pointing down. So you can just remove it and replace it if needed. That's how you do it. It's pretty easy to do. Just remember, when you put this back in, I'm gonna put it in on one side and push it over and then pop it in. And that's how you do it. And then make sure that you push this piece back in on it. So we're gonna line this up. Pull that down and push it on like that, and that's how you do it. Thanks for watching.